how to reset your YouTube account or how to reset your YouTube homepage. So when you open YouTube, and if you don't like the YouTube recommendation, things you don't like on your recommendation on your YouTube homepage, you want to reset it. So how you are supposed to do that? Let me show you how you can do. Go to your logo here from the down right corner and go to this gear option here. And from here you need to go to this your data in YouTube. So you just tap here. Now you will find YouTube options. Now you will see YouTube watch history and YouTube search history. We need to wipe out both. Okay, so let's go for the YouTube watch history first. Manage your YouTube watch history, tap here, and from here you will find this delete option. Tap here and delete all time. Okay, once you do it, you'll find this delete option. Tap here. Okay, so we have completely deleted our YouTube watch history. So now go for YouTube search history, but in my case it's automatically deleted. Go for search history, and if you find something, just delete your YouTube search history as well. But most of you guys, it will automatically delete it when you delete YouTube watch history. Okay, so we have cleared our YouTube watch and YouTube search history. So now let's go back to our home page. Now let's refresh our YouTube page. Okay, so as you can see, we have reset our YouTube homepage. Now you don't have to get annoyed from YouTube recommendation. Okay, so this is how you do it. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great